happening. I was told, if you know that geography, Katangi is part of Machakos County, but within Yata constituency. From Katangi to Kilimani, which is a constituency headquarters, is almost 60 kilometers. And you don't expect somebody atoke hapo aende kwa mguu akachukue kura. So one of the things we should do is to demand decentralization to the ward level. Watu wajaribu kutokezi. But I think the mobilization by the agencies and all of you guys is also important. You know, somebody should start that conversation. Just start it. Say, you are not going to have my lunch and you are my friend if you are not registered. Between yourselves. Yeah? I'm not going to take you to lunch. And you know what? That other trip we're going to have even dowry payment. These days are everything. Dowry. Peleke nikalipe, nikaone wazazi, nikalipe dowry. Okay? Sema hiyo, bila kuonyesha wewe you have a voter's card. Tafadhali hatuendi. Right? So this has to be a very critical thing. And if we do that, then you get your 3 million. Was it 3 million? Yes. Why are you not targeting the whole thing as what's the difference again between 3 million, 4 million, and 6 million?
6.3 is 100%. 6.4 is the 70%. We're targeting 70% of the youth register.
Oh, at least it was minimum 3 million.
Yes.
Yeah, but it can even go more, I'm telling you. If you take into account what Eugene was saying about from 3 kids and from 4s, hey, I think you can hit the figure. Let's surprise IEBC and surprise everybody. I'm wearing a tie because these days we